Hello friends, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. I made very popular dish that is very famous in Chennai, that is called Japan chicken. You can call Malai chicken or creamy chicken as well. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Let's start begins with Japan chicken recipe. This is all the ingredients and recipe I have mentioned in the video. First I am going to make some cashew powder. I have taken some Thai chicken and going to marinate it. For chicken marination, I am adding 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, then add some water and mix, and you can add cashew powder as well. Just mix it up, then prepare for the deep frying. Now I am adding some oil for the deep frying according to the chicken. Keep your oil in medium temperature, then add chicken one by one. Chicken is ready now, I'll remove to the bowl. Now I'm gonna prepare for sauce. For sauce I have taken another pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter, add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, some chopped green chilli according to your spiciness, then saute sometimes in medium temperature. Then add milk, again 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, then salt according to your taste, then add cashew powder and mix. In last add fried chicken. Mix it up properly. Now you can serve after the mixture becomes thick. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.